Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can use cutout pictures for your Instagram videos. It works for a reel, story, anything, but I'm just going to do like a quick Instagram story for this one. So what you are going to want to do is you are going to want to create a story or a reel. I'm just going to create a story here. It says add to your story, you can type your profile picture, blah blah blah, create story. You can either upload like a photo or just like I'm going to just I'll take a picture of like this dark abyss. It's just my table. But to add the like cutout sticker on it, you're just going to select the like sticker button here next to like the music. There's location, mention, music, photo, GIF, GIF, or however you want to pronounce it. Add your sticker, frames, reveal, add yours music, cutout, questions, avatar, add yours template, poll, etc., etc. As you can see, there's already like my stickers that I've made in the past here, like there. But to create a new one, select cutouts. It's going to open your gallery and you're going to select a picture, and it's going to basically outline your picture. You can also select it manually, but I suggest you just having like a clear picture, and it's going to automatically select the object, the person, whatever it is. Use sticker, and that is it. You can have more than one like photo, obviously. So like I'm going to combine these two good looking dudes here. Sorry, but that is it. You can again add more stickers to it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, if you comment, if you like Oliver Stark more than Archie, no, I don't know why I just made that poll. But if you watch 911, comment below, because I like that show, and I do not like what has happened. So please bring back Captain Bobby Nash. This is a petition as well as a tutorial. Anyways, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bring back Bobby Nash. Goodbye.